Kenmore dryer. It's got a motor issue. Pretty much got most of it disassembled already, but I kind of walked through the steps where you have to do, take it apart. Put on 2 Phillips. Once you take that off, get your lint screen out the way. This part here lifts up like that. Disconnect your door switch. Then you got 5/16 bolt nuts right here, screws. Both sides, just them two. Take that off, and the door, it'll come off. Just got to lift up on it. Both sides. Some clips. That's where you got to lift up off. You got this little clamp. Trying to focus it. Yeah. Then you have to take your belt and stitch it, pull it out. Take that off, and the whole drum will come off. And the issue was I had plugged it up. You hear that noise? I'm gonna take the fan off in the back. It's a fan in the back, but you got to loosen these clips. This clip back here, and it turns counterclockwise, not counterclockwise like a normal bolt. It's got to go this way, and it'll loosen from the fan. But you got to have some pliers for this to hold this, and also right here. Just sit your flat blade screwdriver here and lift up. Come back. We got another one back up in there. See that? See them grooves? You gotta have a wrench to turn that, and also have one to hold that. So I'll probably get some grip pliers. Find me a wrench to fit that. When it on, and sometimes back here it's stuck so bad. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna unhook the whole wire harness. Cause I got another dryer made about the same, and take the whole wire harness off, and just change them out. Especially when it get to the point it probably end up breaking the fan. So that's what I'm gonna do. When I do that, I'm pretty much taking this whole head off and putting it on another one. Switching up, and pretty much taking the wire harness along this side, and also had a ground wire, and that's pretty much all from the bottom. Got to go from the back. From the back, you just undo these Undo that. Undo these. Take your power cord off. And undo your grind. Take these 2 screws off, and all that comes off. Then you'll take 5/16 both sides. This whole head will come off. Actually, you don't really have to take these bolt off. It's come out this hinge. Lift up. It slides off that and come up on both ends. Yeah, that's it. It's taking all the wires off. All because it's stuck. So what I done is I pretty much drill a hole. I don't know if you can see it. If you can see it or not. I mean, it's stuck. But I actually drill a hole in the plastic and put WD-40 in it just so it can lubricate, because it's stuck on there for being on there a long period of time. I'm gonna take the top off this one. Motor good on it. Like I said, they pretty much the same. Actually, this fan wasn't hard to get out at all, but you got to turn it, like I say, clockwise to get it on. This to tighten it up. This to loosen it. Just like that. See, same exact motor. Only difference is this one right here. If you can hear it, the bearing's gone in. Pretty much taking it out and putting it back in. It's just that you have to work with that fan back here. Man, it's a job. Motor back on. Now I'll put the top and rewire it. Yeah, it's a job. Now I done got the top. The thing I got to do now is finish the bottom. Bottom ain't pretty much simple. Just run your wires back through here, plugging it up. Like I say, it's the same motor. Same motor. Same wire harness. You want to make sure that clip back in, top and the bottom. And ground wire. Tighten that back up. No. Let's see. It's not. The bearing's good in this one. Pretty much it. Back together. Put these screws back in. Put the top back on. Screen lint trap. give it a test and see how she run.